insert the key between 6 to 10 times into ignition, and then we're gonna turn it into position number 2, and then we're gonna be ready to program our key fobs. So let's do that. Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. On today's video I have a very simple, a very short video, and what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be programming our key fobs. What happened? For some reason one of my key fobs, it stopped working. It doesn't work anymore. I changed the battery. I was thinking maybe that was the issue, but no, it still didn't work. So we're gonna go inside the truck, and it's a very easy and a fast procedure to program the key fobs. So the first thing we're gonna do when we're inside the truck, we gotta make sure we lock the car. So we gotta press our lock button on the driver's side to make sure all the doors are locked. Then we're gonna take our key and we're gonna insert it in the ignition 6 to 10 times in a rapid succession, and then our hazard light will blink, indicating that we're in the programming mode. So let's do that. And as you've seen, the hazard light blink. So now we're gonna turn the key into the position number 2. There we go. It's in position number 2. Now we're gonna take the key fob and we're gonna press any button. So I'm gonna press the lock button. And as you saw, the hazard light blink indicated that we just enrolled this key fob. So now in order to enroll the second key fob, what we gotta do, we have to unlock and lock the doors again. And now we can press any key on this key fob and the hazard light should blink. And as you saw, the hazard light blink again indicated that both key fobs enrolled. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the key off, pull it out, and now to exit the programming mode, we're gonna unlock the doors from the driver's side again. And there we go. Now both of the key fobs are programmed. So now let's go out and test them out. And alright guys, let's test our key fobs now. So I'm gonna lock the truck with the one key fob first. And I'm gonna unlock it. And as you can see, it works. So now I'm gonna try the second key fob. It locks it. And it unlocks it. And alright guys, as you can see, it's very easy, simple thing to do. It didn't take us a long time to do it. So anybody can do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this very short, quick video, and I hope you might find it helpful. And until next time, everybody, bye.